Intro. Hey there, animal lovers and curious minds. Have you ever wondered just how smart hyenas really are? Well, prepare to have your mind blown because these spotted predators are way more intelligent than most people give them credit for. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of hyena intelligence. We'll explore their problem-solving skills, social smarts, and even their use of tools. And if that's not enough, we'll see how they stack up against other predators in the brainpower department. So, let's get started and discover why hyenas are the true brainiacs of the African savanna. Main content. Let's kick things off with hyena problem-solving abilities. These crafty creatures have some serious mental prowess when it comes to figuring things out. In one study, researchers presented spotted hyenas with a puzzle box containing food. The hyenas had to manipulate a series of latches to access the tasty reward inside. Surprisingly, many of them solved the puzzle on their first try. This shows that hyenas can quickly assess a situation and come up with creative solutions. But it doesn't stop there. Hyenas have been observed using teamwork to solve problems in the wild. For example, they've been seen working together to distract larger predators like lions. While one hyena keeps the lion busy, others sneak in to steal food from the kill. Talk about clever cooperation. Now, let's talk about social intelligence, because hyenas are true masters of social dynamics. Hyena clans can have up to 80 members, with complex hierarchies and relationships. Each hyena needs to remember its place in the social order and navigate intricate social situations. They use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent markings to communicate with each other. Hyenas can recognize individual clan members and even remember past interactions. This helps them form alliances, avoid conflicts, and make decisions about hunting and territory. In fact, researchers have found that hyenas with stronger social bonds tend to be more successful in hunting and raising cubs. It's like they have their own little social network, minus the smartphones. But here's where things get really interesting. Tool use in hyenas. While not as well known for tool use as some primates, hyenas have shown some impressive skills in this area. In captivity, spotted hyenas have been observed using sticks to reach food that was otherwise out of their reach. They've also been seen using objects to scratch themselves, showing an understanding of how to manipulate items for their own benefit. In the wild, hyenas have been observed using water as a tool. They've been seen dunking their food in water to clean it or make it easier to eat. While these examples might seem simple, they demonstrate that hyenas have the cognitive ability to use objects in their environment to solve problems. So, how do hyenas compare to other predators when it comes to brainpower? Let's start with lions, often considered the kings of the jungle. While lions are undoubtedly powerful, studies have shown that hyenas actually outperform them in problem-solving tasks. Hyenas are more persistent and show greater flexibility in their approach to challenges. When compared to wolves, another highly intelligent predator, hyenas hold their own. Both species show impressive social intelligence and cooperative hunting skills. However, hyenas have the edge when it comes to adapting to new environments and solving novel problems. Even when matched against some primates, hyenas show comparable cognitive abilities in certain tasks. This is pretty impressive considering the emphasis often placed on primate intelligence. Let's look at a real-world example of hyena intelligence in action. In the Ngorongoro crater in Tanzania, researchers observed a fascinating behavior. Hyenas would wait for wildebeest to cross a particular stream during their migration. The clever hyenas would hide in the tall grass near the stream, knowing that the wildebeest would be vulnerable while crossing. This shows an ability to plan ahead and anticipate the behavior of their prey. It's not just instinct, it's strategic thinking. Another interesting aspect of hyena intelligence is their problem-solving in human-wildlife conflict situations. In areas where humans and hyenas overlap, these adaptable animals have learned to navigate our defenses. They've been known to figure out how to open seemingly secure garbage containers. Some have even learned to recognize the sound of certain vehicles that might lead them to food. This adaptability showcases their ability to learn and adjust their behavior based on experience. Now, let's address a common misconception about hyenas. Many people think of them as just scavengers, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Hyenas are actually skilled hunters, with some studies showing they hunt up to 95% of their food. This requires a high level of intelligence to coordinate hunts, track prey, and make split-second decisions. Their hunting strategies often involve complex social coordination and communication within the clan. Speaking of communication, did you know that hyenas have one of the most complex vocal repertoires of any terrestrial mammal? They use various calls, from their famous laugh to low grunts and high-pitched whines. Each sound has a specific meaning, allowing hyenas to convey detailed information to their clanmates. This sophisticated communication system is a clear indicator of their advanced cognitive abilities. Let's not forget about hyena cubs and their learning process. Young hyenas spend a long time with their mothers, learning essential skills through observation and practice. This extended learning period allows them to develop problem-solving skills and social intelligence. Cubs have been observed practicing hunting techniques and social behaviors with their siblings. This play behavior is crucial for developing the cognitive skills they'll need as adults. Hyenas also show impressive spatial memory and navigation skills. They can remember the locations of water sources, den sites, and territory boundaries over large areas. This cognitive map helps them efficiently patrol their territory and find resources. Some researchers believe that hyenas may even use celestial cues for navigation, similar to how early human explorers used the stars. Outro. So there you have it, folks. Hyenas are far more than just the cackling sidekicks you might remember from The Lion King. They're problem solvers, social butterflies, and even budding tool users. These spotted geniuses can hold their own against some of the most intelligent animals out there. Next time you see a hyena, remember, there's a lot more going on behind those eyes than you might think. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, why not leave a comment telling us what other animals' intelligence you'd like to learn about? Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.